Hi, boys and girls. Happy Wednesday. We're halfway through another week. Hope you've been working hard and enjoying all of our lessons and being good boys and girls at home. Let's get started with our Wednesday, though. First thing, I'm very excited to show you. Hopefully you can see it a little bit. Look at our seeds. Our seeds have definitely been growing. We've got our first seed that started to grow a root the other day. I noticed that it's getting even longer and a little bit green on the bottom too. So I'm hoping that's going to keep growing into a stem and some leaves as well. And then another one of our seeds grew a tiny little root, sprouted a tiny little root the other day. So hopefully that'll keep growing also. And this one's a little sleepy. Hopefully it will catch up. Yesterday, Tuesday, was very sunny, so our beans, our seeds were able to get a lot of sun hanging in my window, so I think that helped to grow it, and I'm making sure to keep that paper towel inside wet because it needs air, it needs sunshine, and it needs water to grow. So we are going to keep our eyes on that, and hopefully we'll keep making progress, and I'll send you a picture every day. Let's get started though. Let's get started with our calendar. We're almost done with another month. So take out your month calendar of April. Hopefully it's nice and neat and beautiful. And let's see where we are. So yesterday, you should have done your calendar in your calendar notebook on your own. And yesterday was Tuesday. The month was still April, even though it's coming really close to the end, it's still April. And the date was the 28th, a 2 and an 8, which means what day is today? What comes after Tuesday? I already said it to you before. Good, Wednesday. And again, it's still the month of April. And after the 28th comes the 29th. Awesome. A 2 and a 9 makes a 29th. So I'm going to pick it up and put it on our calendar right there. And I'm going to find Wednesday, slide my finger down, and below the number 22, fill in the number 29 for Wednesday, April 29th. Awesome. 2 more days, or 2 more days? No, 1 more day of April only. Tomorrow's Thursday, and then after that, what month comes after April? What's our next month? May. Very, very good. I'll have to send moms and dads some new calendars to work on because I think we only went home with March and April, so I'll have to make sure to send new May calendars out for us to work on. But let's focus on right now because today is, let's focus on today is. Here we go. Today is Wednesday, April 29th. One more time, let me hear you. Today is Wednesday, April 29th. And what year is it? Still the same year from the beginning of this year, from the beginning of January, 2020. 2020. Awesome. Good job. Okay, let's do our days of the week. Ready? Here we go. I'm not going to do them. I'm just going to point to them, and I want to hear you at home reading them across the top of your calendar. Okay, so again, I'm not reading them. I want to hear you. First day of the week is awesome. Good job. I hope you did that for practice, practice. Okay. Today is, what did we keep saying today is? Wednesday. Very good. Today is Wednesday. Now, if today is Wednesday, oh, that's tomorrow. We don't want that yet. What was yesterday? If today is Wednesday, yesterday was Tuesday. Awesome. And if today is Wednesday, what will tomorrow be? Tomorrow will be Thursday already. Oh my goodness, another week almost done. Good job. Flip on over to your weather graph. Boy, oh boy, yesterday, Tuesday was such a beautiful day. I hope you got outside. I hope you enjoyed the sunshine and the warm weather, and it really felt like spring. Our season is spring. It really felt like spring outside yesterday, so I hope you got to enjoy it. But today, take a peek out your windows, take a peek out your door, and check out what the weather is. What are you seeing? Little cloudy, little bit rainy today. What are you seeing right now? I think so. Find that weather on your weather graph and color in one rectangle for the weather that you see out your window and your door. Good job. Okay, Fold that on up. I think we're all good with our calendar for Wednesday and our weather and our season. Awesome. Let's get to our calendar notebook. Flip on over to that second page. Give you a second to catch up. Make sure that you've got your calendar notebook. Okay, awesome. Now, yesterday, I hope that you followed along with our lessons yesterday and did your notebook and your calendar, because how many days were we in school learning yesterday? That's right, 150 days of school. Oh my goodness, 150. A 1, a 5, and a 0 is 150. But we're back together again, learning one more day. So how many days have we been learning in kindergarten today? What comes after 150? 151. Very good. A 1, a 5, and a 1. Find it on your calendar notebook. You've got to go down to that next row and trace it in. 151. Good job. Now, I had my 1 ready for me. Not sure where it went to, so let me go in my little baggie, because I need to fill in what place? I need to put a number 1 up here for 151. What place am I going to put the 1 in? You're right, I'm going to have to put the 1 in the 1's place, and yay, I found it. So I'm going to take that 0 out of there and put in a 1. 151. 151 days of kindergarten. Great job, guys. Okay, now let's check out our straws, because the straws were really exciting yesterday. We weren't together on the video, but I hope you thought about it when we traced 150 yesterday. Let's talk about our straws. This is one big bundle of 100 for 151. One bundle of 100. Now, how many 10s should we have? 150. What's in that tens place? 5. Very good. We should now have 5 bundles of 10. Let's check it out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. 5 bundles of 10. I took all of them out of the ones place yesterday. There was 9. I added 1 more, which was 10, and you know every time we get 10, we've got to move it over to the tens place and make a new bundle. Good, so for 150, I've got 5 bundles of 10. Now, how many ones do I have? Oh, it's empty, because for 150 for yesterday, 150, there should have been 0 ones. Good. But today is 151, so what am I doing? That's right, I'm going to add 1 straw to the ones place. And altogether, I have 151 straws. Good job. Place value, that's what we're talking about. It's kind of tricky, but I know you guys are getting it. Awesome. Okay, look what I found. I found my missing 1. I can put it back in the bag now. I knew I had it somewhere. Okay, let's flip on over to our 10 frames, everybody. That was an exciting day yesterday, too. Your 10 frames should be looking beautiful. For 150 yesterday, you should have colored in your last square in your 10 frame, and now you have 15 10 frames all colored in. 15 10 frames equal 150. Let's check it out. So let's do it by counting by 10s. Let's check our 10 frames. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, practice along, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. Awesome. Hope yours looks like mine. And now today, to get to 151, we need to color in 1 more. But our 10 frames all done, so pick a new 10 frame and color in 1 more for 151. Awesome, good job. Now I've been following along with our big, how many days have we been in school? And I also finished up 150 with our green stars yesterday. Now remember, we do our stickers in patterns. So take a look at our pattern here. Hopefully you can see it. Lift this up. Purple star, yellow star, green star. Now, we want to keep going with the same pattern. So after green star, what should I be using for our new 10 frame? Purple star, yellow star, green star, blue stars. Very good. And I've got blue stickers left, I'm happy to say. So I'm going to take one blue star sticker and start our new 10 frame. And I will tell you that we've got only 29 days of kindergarten left. Oh, I can't even talk about it. You know, it always makes me cry. So 29 days of learning. We're going to do an awesome job, even though we are home learning. So keep working. Okay, flip on over to odd and even. Good, good, good. How many days have we been in school? 151. 151, is it odd or is it even? Odd, very good. Because the one in the ones place, we always look at the ones place, the one, it's all by itself, it's odd. So color in one sneaker in your calendar notebook. Make sure it's all by itself because it is odd. Awesome, good job. That's always a nice and quick one. Flip on over to tally marks. What'd you have fun doing yesterday on your tally marks? What'd you do yesterday on your tally marks? That's right, for 150, boom, you should have shut the door on another tally mark box. So now you've got 3 rows with your door shut, and you've got 3 boxes on the bottom with your door shut. And that all equals 150 tally marks. Good. Let's practice counting by 5s. You guys are really knocking my socks off with it, but I hope you keep practicing every day so that you're remembering. Here we go. Follow along with your tallies. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140, 145, 150. And now we need to add one more tally mark in for today to get us to, what's after 150? 151. Good. Pick a new box and put in one more tally mark. 151. Great job. Looking so good. I can't believe how few days we've got left with our calendars and our notebooks. Okay, flip on over to that first page on your calendar notebook to help you out. And let me think of a number of the day. I'm going to take a peek at our number mysteries page, and I'm going to pick, what can I pick that we haven't had too many of? How about, have we had too many in the 80s? I don't think so. So let me pick number 84. Your number of the day for your number mysteries page is 84. And that is going to be an 8 and a 4. 84. Good job. So fill that in one of your gray boxes on your number mysteries page, 84. And then figure out what's one more, what's one less. When you're counting, what comes after 84? When you're going backwards, when you're counting backwards, what comes before 84? What's 10 less and what's 10 more? Good job. You guys, I think, are really getting a hang of this number mysteries too. I'm really proud of you with that. Good job. Okay, last thing, how are we doing? Pretty good. We checked on our seeds, we did our calendars, our notebooks, we did the weather, looking pretty good. So I think we just have to talk about our sight words. So you've been really doing a great job writing sentences with our 8 April sight words. So we've done a sentence for each of those sight words, and I really have been checking them and I like them very much. Today, hopefully you can have a little fun. Today, I want you to write the room, and not just the room. I want you to write maybe your whole house, maybe your whole apartment. Ask mom and dad to write down all of our 8 sight words. They can just put it on a regular piece of paper, all 8 of them on separate pieces of paper, and ask them to hang it around your house when you're not looking, right? So just like Mrs. Gaffney always tries to sneak in the classroom so that you don't see where I'm hiding them, and have them hang up our 8 sight words for Write the Room. And then take your journal, take a piece of paper, and go hunting around your house, around your apartment to find those 8 sight words. Now, make sure when you find them, you read it out loud, maybe you tap it out loud, maybe you kickbox it to practice, and write it down on your paper. Sight word practice. I'm going to be checking in with you tomorrow and Friday to make sure that you know and remember all your April sight words. So today's one of our last days to keep practicing. I think that's it, boys and girls. You guys are doing a great job. Keep working hard. Be helpful to mommy and daddy. Get your work done. What do we always say in the classroom in the mornings, right? Be responsible, be respectful, and be ready. So go ahead, get ready, and have an awesome day. Bye, boys and girls. I miss you.